Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on this cPro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you tap on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on settings, click on notification settings, which is the second option, and here you can set two types of notifications in terms of your email. So if you want to get notifications about new members, tap on this button. You can also get notifications about incomplete dating profiles, then message from other users, story responses, expire stories, and you can set the push notifications about new followers, likes, story responses, new story by followed, new posting by followed or unfollowed. If you want to turn off any of these, just tap on the purple button in the right side and it will be turned off automatically. Then click on the X button in the upper right corner. So that's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.